I am an actor's daughter. I had to audition. A lot of people think that star kids don't have to audition, but I did. I auditioned. It was hard. I find out that someone else has replaced me. I was tucked into my bed and I cried for a whole hour. I was like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? A big hi to all of you out here. I'm really, really excited to be here again. And so, why am I here? Yeah, I am an actor's daughter. Yes, my father did give me tips. Yes, I did get a lot of things on a silver platter. Blah, blah, blue, blah. No, it wasn't that easy. I had to audition. A lot of people think that star kids don't have to audition, but I did, especially since my first film didn't do that well. So I auditioned and I auditioned. It was hard. But what the hardest part was that I actually got finalized for a film, and which was great. You know, I was like, yes, I'm finalized and I have this role. But the hardest part was that I find out that someone else has replaced me. So, yeah, I was tucked into my bed and I cried for a whole hour. I was like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And then I decided that, okay, I could continue crying and I could have nice swollen eyes at the end of 2 hours, or I could kick myself out of here and try again. 5 scenes, 3 songs. That was my audition for Y Films. And they chose me. And they chose me to kick some serious butt.
But everything about it, the lyrics, the singers, it's going to be so much fun. And keeping in mind, it's all toda hai mera dil, bharega uska bill. Facebook update aaj ho, parlor mein massage ho. And that's the world and the mind of an 18-year-old, and that's what we've done. Given Ram's reference points, which are just so fantastic. And like Bumpy mentioned, it's not just really the songs in the film, it's the entire background score of the film, which is going to be truly, truly wicked and fun. And you know, the opening sequence of a film, your opening credits, they often set the tone for your movie. They set you up for, acha, ye aa raha hai. This is going to be something slightly different or something new. And that's what we want to do with the opening credits. So check that out. We've tried something which is the absolute cutting edge in animation. It's called stop motion. It's constructed using close to 8,000 individual still frame photographs, close to 800 t-shirt changes, and lots more. But you know what? I think Shraddha's better place to introduce this song to you. So over to you, Shraddha.
Okay, so I'm sure that all of you, at some point in your life, have had that candy or chocolate which, when you eat it, and then you have to really chew on it. It has a hard outer covering, and then you really have to work your way into it, and you're chewing, and it's challenging, and then boom, you have this burst of flavor inside. It's like a blue liquid, or like something really sweet, and it just overpowers your mouth, and it's the most amazing rush. That's exactly what it feels like when you finish exams. That's the rush, that's the excitement. So that's the burst, and that's exactly what this is. Freak out.
This film you get even. So would you do something like that in real life? How would you react to a breakup and get over it?
Honestly, if I don't know to what extent I would go to really get revenge, but there have been instances which have ticked me off and pissed me off where I have actually experienced. I think I wouldn't.
She's a little baby. She'll never hurt a fly.
No,
A man maybe,
well,
not a fly.
No, but if I need to use a bat in the future, I'm going to him to teach me again because he taught me the swings.
But she hit it out of the park. She really did. Babe Ruth, Sammy Sosa, her job is on the line.
I really, off the top of my head right now, I haven't seen it either, but something that really stays with me is when I had to come face to face with what this guy does to me. He does something terrible to me, which I can't disclose yet. You'll have to watch the film for that. But when I come face to face with that moment, and that's what really sticks in my head right now. I didn't think of it as a burden till you actually just asked me that, honestly. We shot this film over like how long?
3 months.
60
months. No man, 51.
Yeah, 55 days. So we were literally eating, living, sleeping, breathing this film. So those 55 days were such a rush. They were unbelievably fun. So I had a
No
blast.
jitters, no scary thoughts like you might be the next one or something like that.
I hope this film does kick ass. I really hope it does, and I hope that people go and watch it and they really enjoy it because it is a fun film. You know, so
Anytime,
Shraddha, in real life, did you have a breakup
anytime have you wanted to get back at your ex? Anything like that?
No.
haven't had an opportunity yet.
But you wanted to.
Don't look at me, dude. No, I don't think so. I don't think getting back at somebody it's good up there. It's not very emotionally helpful when you do it in real life. So no, I do not want to get back to any of my exes. Stay away, actually. Yes. Anything else?
Shraddha,
in real life, did you had a breakup or any such type of thing?
I've had quite a few, man. Quite a few. Yes. I've learned from my experiences and I've used it in this film.
So when you come without a godfather in this industry or without a Kapoor or a Khan attached to your name, are you scared? Are you
No, not really. You see, I believe in talent, so I believe in merit. And if you're good and your stars are right, and you do hard work, you get what you deserve. And if you don't, then you get what you don't deserve.
You know, I just want to say something about that question. You know, if there is this whole funda about the Godfather being there, or someone helping you in and all that, guys like us, including her, she had to do an audition, and I went through the audition, and that's why we chose. His audition tapes, when he becomes a big star, I'm gonna really release because they're insane. He does some bizarre things with his eyes also. But the point is that for any industry to thrive and evolve, you always need fresh talent to come in and bring a fresher perspective to it. And I think a platform like this, like the Y Films thing, I will really help it. And I hope a lot many more people get the opportunity.
Shraddha, you told us that you belong to a family, So how much training you have
one
taken
sec,
for this?
आपको one on one नहीं चाहिए?
No, let's
one World Cup wish, what do you guys doing on the second, and a wish for India, please?
I'm marinating some pork the night before. If I don't get that, then I'll probably grill a red sea.
I really have nothing special to do. My brother's a big cricket buff. I just tag along and just hang out with friends and block the traffic in Carter Road again, like yesterday.
Shraddha, what about you?
I actually never watched cricket before the India-Pakistan match which just took place, and there was such a buzz about it that I was like, okay, this is something that I have to see. I didn't know head or tail about cricket. My mum was actually standing in front of the TV explaining to me what wickets and overs mean, and
Sad.
I know, I'm late into the group, but she explained it to me, and I have to say that I had a really, really fun time watching the match. And so I guess, the fact that I watched it for the first time in India won, it's
Yeah.
You guys can
I
dish
guess
individually? Team India, if you can
Yes. Please,
together.
Pompey, stop.
They will win it. They will win it.
They have won it.
They have won
it.
Okay, they have won it.
the cup belongs at home.
Yeah. So you might as well not send it out of Bombay now. It's going to remain there. So good luck, team.
Yeah. Good luck, India.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All the best.